ng Mapua, courtesy of CJ Isid there.
Ang simula for CJ Isid.
Good start para kay CJ Isid na nabanggit mo.
Love tap na binigay niya kay Jom Soliano last game.
I like how you described it. But there is Brian Meca.
Si on your screen, si Josan Imes kanina. Nasa 80% na raw siya na recovery with his hamstring. We will see if he would continue playing well. Just like Holwell Oraime, he could defend, he could get those rebounds. And then as they grow older, nagkaroon sila ng jump shot.
Arellano wins today. They will take that solo third.
Kagayan, inagaw sa harapan, pang merienda. Ang gandang layup na yun ni Ken Salado.
But Josan Imes answers. Monte Alegre at courtside, our director for this game.
Percentage ng Mapua, 58 to 50%.
Kailangan kitang istorbohin doon. Ang ganda ng dipsy doon ni bus driver Giovanni Halalon with a steal. And that wonderful move. We will see that again for sure. But Mark Branya binanggana. May basket pa.
Knights, talagang binutas nila ng binutas through their passing.
Shane Menina, tumuloy-tuloy si Shane. Di ko alam paano siya nakahanap ng puwang. Pero may 2 puntos na. Si Ra Flores yun. Ang ganda ng binibigay na quality minutes kay Ra Flores. But from the corner is good for to Salado. Ken Salado to Deontay Holtz. We know he can shoot it and he does. Ilista mo na ang unang 3 puntos. 5 in the overtime period na binanggit mo. Arellano. Halalon. Operating on his own. Halalon. He has...
Masaya yan pag ganun dyan.
Galing yan. Sana panood yan ng NCAA ulit. Laging nanonood yan dito sa arena. JP Nieles.
Yung isa sa mga reasons kaya nagkaroon ng 5-game winning streak. Itong Mapua Cardinals.
Another assist for the bus driver. 6 points.
Sa ganda ng action natin, Andre.
Actually. Menina, the kick out to Biteng. Mainit si XC. Biteng, yes!
Para lang hindi maka-placing na maganda itong Arellano Chief.
Ay pangalawang laro natin. Nieles for 3. Wala. The rebound to Oraime. Nice look. Ganda naman ang hanap ni Oraime kay Justin Serrano. Branya all the way. Nice move by the big man, Mark Branya. Binitbit pa, pinaikot, kanyang pang-siyam na puntos.
Pinakita yung dexterity ni Mark Branya.
Doon na ang rebound ni Mark Branya. Nieles, nahanap si Serrano, pinanggana. May basket pa for Justin Serrano. 6 straight games. Credit to the whole coaching staff. Coach Atoy, who's not here, I'm sure he's probably in his hando watching at home, natuwan-tuwa.
Oo.